Alright, line underneath, please. So that was unit 3. That was a short unit 3. Today, now we're starting unit 4. Today is 2/21.
Wow. Is it already the 21st?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so mean, median, and mode, we call it central tendency. Mean, median, mode, we call it central tendency. I didn't spend any money this month. That was good. And
Oh,
shot.
look what I got.
I have no money.
What's your thing? I got it back. Yeah, okay. Whatever I have on it, that's all. The rest of it I have to put in. I got my earbud. Which one?
The second one. What's yours?
I have to.
Yeah.
Can I get a free box?
Alright.
Did you put stickers on your car? Those are magnets.
Those are magnets.
Today early or minimum?
Early. Alright, notes look long, just mainly words we gotta go through. Good? Alright, lots of words. Here we go. First word. Page set. It lists the numbers. For example, we can do birthdays, date, test scores, etc. Right? Lots of things we can do. Measures of central tendency. It is a way to describe the center of the data. It determines what is normal or average.
That is right, bro.
Alright, so let's talk about the mean. So now remember what mean means? It is the average, good. So how do we find the average? What's step number 1? Remember? Good. Add up all the values. Of the data set. And then 2. Divide by what? Divide by how many are in the set. So if there's 10 numbers, we divide by 10. If there was 6 numbers that were in there, we divide by 6. Alright, next one is median. It's when the numbers are lined up from least to greatest. It is the middle number. So you must line up your numbers from least to greatest. And then it's the middle number. So when the numbers line up from least to greatest, you find the middle number. Now, sometimes there's 2. Sometimes there's 2 middle numbers, okay? You know what I'm talking about? Right. So sometimes there's 2 middle numbers. Do you know what you do? You just add those 2 up and divide by 2. So let's put a little note right here. If there are 2 numbers, in the middle, add them up and divide by 2. When you're doing median, the key thing is it has to be in order from least to greatest. It has to be in order from least to greatest. Okay? Mode. Who remembers mode? And remember that occurs the most. that a curve?
Huh? What are we gonna do with these?
I'm gonna bring them in. Or you can bring them.
I'll let you grab them.
Alright, let's talk about an outlier. Outlier. It's the data value that stands out from the rest. For example, if my data set was 1, 6, 2, 5, 30, and then 4, what's the outlier? Good? Okay. Let's talk about a spread of data. A spread of data. There's a couple things here. First of all, there's a thing called a minimum. What does the minimum tell you? What does it mean to be a minimum? The lowest number, so it's the smallest number we have. So we have a minimum, we also have a what? Maximum, because maximum is the opposite of minimum. So maximum is your what? Your biggest number, your highest number. Which means we can calculate range. And range is just your maximum, yep, minus your minimum. Make sure that's subtraction. You good? Alright, while I write the example, you're gonna go get. I'm not gonna. We're gonna come up with an example myself. And then I'll let you get calculators and get it, yeah? Alright, so let's go to examples. We're gonna go with hours slept. So I'm gonna go first. I slept 7.5 hours. I'm just gonna pick people to tell me how long he sleep. Correct, how long he sleep. How many hours you sleep? When did you go to bed? And then what time did you wake up? Okay, so you slept 7 hours. Man, what time did you wake up? 7.5. Jason, how many hours you sleep?
3.
I knew I had picked someone there. At least how many hours you sleep? Antonio. What's the deal? Better than 3. 9, Aaron? Oh, that's what I want to sleep.
You got 9? What's your
Fabian, how many
secret?
hours do you sleep? 8? 9 hours is actually what you're supposed to sleep.
I'm about
No, it is not.
They said 7.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are still teenagers. You're supposed to sleep 9 hours.
Why doesn't school start like at 10? You know how much, you know how good my grades would be if it started at 10?
It's 8 for an adult. But really, I need 9 hours of sleep. Let's be honest. Catherine, how many hours? 6?
Did you read?
Did you not just go to sleep? Fernando,
Did you read?
how many? 1?
Mr. Sender, I'm gonna finish the grading. I gotta do something real quick.
I think we found an outlier.
You're right, though.
Right? Olivia. Let's do, how many do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. We'll leave 2 more. Still there. 7? Carla. How many? You slept on 1, so 5? Alright, there we go. You guys are crazy.
Aaron, what time do you go to bed?
Oh, we just went
Dude, I need to get, okay, I need to set a bedtime for myself now. I don't sleep at all.
I've always had bedtime.
No, see, this is my problem. Like, I'll be in bed by like 9:30, 10 o'clock, but then I end up going on like YouTube or like I play video games and then I totally get sidetracked and I stay up.
I just go sleep.
Last night I was
Alright, here we go. First thing first, what do you got to do?
Huh?
Put them from what? Least to
I
greatest.
need
Go
a
ahead
sleep
and put them
schedule.
in
Last
least
night
to
I was
greatest
playing
order.
Battlefield until like 3 in the morning or something.
Put them in
Good
order
game,
from
Mr.
least to
Sender.
greatest. Once you put a number cross it off so you know you've already put it in order. So put it from least to greatest.
What's today, Mr. Sender? I'm behind my calendar. I don't use this number.
Alright, what's the first number? 1. And then? 3. And then? 4. 5. 6. How many times?
3.
Thank you. Ooh. You guys are special. 7. 3 sevens? Okay. Okay.
Mr. Senders, I have to
1, 8,
do
and
government
9.
homework that I procrastinated.
Alright. Alright, here we go. We good?
Yeah. We get it.
Alright, first thing first. I'm going to write down a couple things. I want you to find the minimum. I want you to find the maximum. I want you to find the range. Then you're going to find the mean, the median, the mode. Okay? So you're going to do that. You can need a calculator to go get one. You won't need one for a little bit. We're going to find the minimum, the maximum, the range, the median, the mean, and the mode. Alright, ready? Let's start with the easy one. What's the minimum? 1. What's your maximum? 9. How do you find range? 9 minus 1 equals what? 8. This should work. It's easy. You don't have to do that. That one's not hard. But when you don't have to show me is your mean, you need to show me what the top number is. Anyone know what the top number is? 6. Add these up. Divided by what? 14?
Yeah, 6.
That's not what I asked. I asked what's the top number. Equals 6. Yes?
Yeah.
Oh. Median.
6.5.
Is it? I'm trusting you. I didn't do the work. Yep. No.
6.5. 13 divided by 2, that's 6.5.
3.5.
Not wrong.
It's right here. Correct? So you have to do 6 plus 7. Divide by 2. Which is 13 over 2. Which is 6.5. And the mode.
7 and 6.
7 and 6. 6 and 7. We good? Easy? Let's do one more. What's up? We're gonna do one more. Alright, life expectancy.
Like what? Oh, like
How long countries say you're supposed to live? Obviously, it's based on statistics. This is what we're doing. Alright, so here's the country. And then here's the years. So for Russia, 70.5. This is old. Syria, 75. Qatar, 75.5. Peru, 74.7. Malta, I'm gonna do that right now. 81. Hold on, Rich.
Good morning. How you doing?
Gary.
Should you said that like 1 days ago? Elise Chavez. How you doing? You need to be sitting in the office.
Belgium. Cambodia.
What did you do?
66.
She got in a fight with force. No, I'm just kidding. Sneakers though. The bell's about to ring, isn't it?
What you got? Alright, there we go. So, all I know is that I probably shouldn't live here because I won't live very long. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to find the minimum, the maximum, the range. Notice how I want you to show the work from the last one. You have to at least tell me what you're subtracting. For the mean, you need to show me your fraction before you divide. You're going to do median. And no do mode. Can there be no mode? Yes. If nothing repeats, there is just no mode. Okay? And we'll see that. So go ahead and try it. with someone next to you if you have answers. Check with someone next to you.
I guess I had more fun on this week than I did on first week. I was really. Oh yeah, I was doing.
It wasn't fun.
I was home a lot because I could. I got here for like 2008. After 2000, which isn't bad. 2006. Is that the movie Sacramento? Gambling? Oh. Did you mess with it? Did you sample it?
Yeah, they give you free.
Are they big?
Like, I was like,
Is it cool to see how they make it? The one I went to in Sacramento? Is that the packaging one? That's cool. Was it cold there?
wasn't too bad.
Did it snow?
There was no snow. My friend who lives there, he says there hasn't been snow. Pretty dope.
That's the ones they give you?
Yes.
This thing is huge.
I know. I didn't drink it.
Come on. Yeah, I saw your post. I was on Instagram a lot. Did you see the post I posted when I went to the Clippers game? They don't even like my picture. I needed lights.
Alright. Minimum. What's the minimum? 51. What's your maximum? 81. How do you find the range?
81.
It's 30. Good. Mean.
71.64.
Wonderful. What's the fraction? What's the top number? You need to show me the two fractions when you're adding. So 600 and what? 47.82. 82, good. Divided by how many numbers? Equals, now what? 71.98. Median. Bless you. 74.7. Good. And your mode? 81. Good. Easy? The only thing I didn't do was write it from least to greatest, but do you need to do that? Yes. Don't tell me no. Yes. That's how you're going to get credit. How do I know you found the mode correctly? Or the mean, or the median? Oh. Okay? Easy enough? Alright, your notes are done. You will need paper for homework.
Back up.